Hi guys, today I'm going to share my first Middle Eastern perfume haul from ScentopiaPerfumes.com in 2026. So I have a couple of fragrances from Al Absar, which is a new brand for me, and I just wanted to start the year exploring something new. So I have 4 fragrances from Al Absar, Lattafa fragrances as well as French Avenue. So let's begin with the haul. So the first one that I have is Veneno Scarlet from French Avenue. This is how the box is, and I got this presentation gets a 20 out of 10, and this is how the perfume is. This is your sweet, fruity, floral, leather kind of a fragrance. If you like the DNA of Teriyaki from Lattafa, this is kind of more smoother and rounded perfume as compared to Teriyaki. Now the second perfume is from Lattafa, and this one is Ana Abiad Scarlet, and this is how this perfume bottle and box looks like. Now this is a rosy, peppery, spicy nutmeg situation mixing up with some cherry. So it's fruity, it is sexy, it's powdery, it's rosy, and it is spicy. So if you like yourself a spicy rose fragrance, you will enjoy this one. Then let's jump on to the 4 fragrances from Al Absar. The first one is Hirfa. It's an inspired version of Burberry Goddess. This is vanilla meeting some aromatics like lavender, a kick of ginger, and lots of vanilla and sweetness in here. This is very calming to the senses, and also I find this to be unisex. Next we have Shahur Elixir. Now definitely you would have seen this bottle getting viral. So this is Shahur Elixir from Al Absar, and this one is a inspired version from Dolce & Gabbana's Devotion. This is creamy, citrusy, sweet, vanillic pound cake kind of a situation. Next perfume is Hassa from Al Absar, and I did not want you to miss the presentation here. This is royalty, and so does the bottle. It looks so beautiful with red and black with golden details on it. This one is an inspired fragrance from YSL Black Opium over red. I was looking for this scent profile for the longest time. Finally have it on a budget. This one is cherries meeting with some black coffee, white florals, and some sweetness. This one is a sweet, sexy, mysterious kind of a fragrance that definitely vibes in evening and nighttime. The last and my personal favorite is Rania. Now this one is a beautiful pink box with golden details and a pink bottle. This is how gorgeous the Rania bottle looks like, and once you open it, this is the perfume. This is inspired by Valentino's Donna Born in Roma pink PP flanker. This is the most delicate, floral, feminine, elegant, classy kind of a fragrance. So those were all the fragrances from Scentopia. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code that I'll leave right here if you're interested in purchasing. Detailed reviews will be coming out soon, so stay tuned and follow for more perfume content. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.